Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active Microsoft account and your 25-character Xbox Live key. Sign into the Xbox app on Windows or go to Account, Microsoft.com/redeem in a browser. Once signed in, choose Redeem Code and carefully enter the code exactly as printed. Make sure you select the correct account if you use multiple Microsoft emails because the key binds to the account you redeem on. Once entered, confirm the prompt to add the subscription or credit to your account. Once the code is accepted, you need to activate services on PC. Open the Xbox app and check profile subscriptions to confirm the live membership or credit is listed. If you plan to use Game Pass, install the Xbox Game Pass app or the Xbox Console Companion for easy access to games. Make sure your Microsoft account is linked and two-factor authentication is enabled for security. This prevents login issues later. Finally, sign out and back in to refresh entitlements so games recognize your new access. To finish, download your games from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and install them to your chosen drive. When you launch a game, the Xbox app confirms your live status. If access is denied, go to Settings Account to ensure the redeemed account is active. If something goes wrong, first verify the code shows under Account, Microsoft.com Services and Subscriptions. If the code is present but not working, sign out of the Xbox app, update it, restart Windows, then sign back in to reapply entitlements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.